Hey there, this is Danielle Hennes, and I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how I like to work in slides and slide design. So ideally, you're taking the information that you're going to present and then turning it into something visual. So if I want to talk about psychologist Jonathan Haidt and this analogy that he created, I would talk about how there's these two sides of your brain. You have the emotional and instinctual side, and you have the rational, conscious, thought-making side. And these two sides work together. But the emotional and instinctual side has been around for a lot longer and has a lot more weight. And he described this as an elephant and a rider. And that the rider is the analytical part of your brain, who's responsible for planning and decision-making. And the elephant is the emotional or instinctual part of your brain, who prefers quick gratification over long-term results. And the rider looks as though it's in charge. He has reins, he can urge the elephant to go in any direction, but the elephant weighs over 100 times what the rider weighs. And so when the elephant and the rider both want the same thing, life is good. They get what they want. But when the elephant and the rider want different things, the rider can convince the elephant or compromise or entice the elephant, and for a while the rider can get what it wants. But it's only a matter of time before the elephant's emotional desire is heard and takes over and the elephant gets what it wants.